Honorable Chief Minister, our Chief Patron for HGA, Sri Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, and our Honorable MP Jitendra Reddy Garu, the President, and Mr. Acharya, Asadullah Pasha, Paramjit, and all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Hyderabad Golf Association, I wish to thank the sponsors, the people who worked, and what we have achieved all this time. I thank you all very much. To mention, I would like to thank Government of Telangana, Telangana Tourism Department, Bharati Cement, Bharat Biotech, Krishnapatnam Port Company Limited, IBPIL K. Raghu Ramakrishna Raju, L&T Metro Hyderabad, HDFC Bank, IPI International Product Chennai. They are the main sponsors, and it has been, I'm so happy that the people have come out of the way to encourage this sport. I'm also proud to announce, for such young course, we commissioned the 18-hole golf course only on 23rd of August. And within 3 months, we were honored to give this great event, which is of international standard. This is a big challenge for all of us. At the same time, I would also thank my support staff, Amit Kaitan, who is operations manager with us, Mr. C. Dayakar Reddy, Joint Secretary, who has been the organizing of this tournament, Srinivas, our engineer, and Raju, the groundkeeper. And not forgetting thousands of laborers for last 7 years have toiled day and night. They're all parts of Andhra Pradesh, right from Warangal to Karimnagar. Everybody has contributed their sweat and blood to this system. So I'm really thankful to them. They're normally behind the scenes, but I would like to recognize these people who really put in their heart and soul into the system. I would also like to thank PGTI, Uttam Singh Mandi, and Paranjit and their team for contributing to this event. I would also like to thank Mr. Krishnaya, Superintending Archaeologist, and ASI, Police, GHMC, and all our well-wishers. I once again, sir, thank our Chief Patron, Honorable Chief Minister, for sparing his valuable time to be part of us and giving this such tremendous encouragement for this thing. With God willing and our perseverance of my team, we are sure we will put Hyderabad Golf Club on the world map. MD Waterworks also, I'm sorry I missed you out, but we are very thankful to encourage us and also divert a little bit of issues are there in the sewage water. So I'm very grateful to him also. Thank you very much. We are grateful.